Ibom Deep Seaport, the gateway to West and Central Africa.
We talked about the MRO, which is 98% ready, and we need to partner with the federal government. We talked about help for Ibom Deep Seaport, because the state alone cannot pull that through. We need the federal might to support us.
It is expected that given its strategic location and technical component, Ibom Deep Seaport project will give Nigeria a better alternative in promoting maritime business, international trade, and global interconnectivity. It would also have general multiplier effects and new business opportunities, in addition to creating more than 300,000 jobs opportunities for our teeming populace. Furthermore, it would help solve the perennial problem of port congestion in Nigeria. The country stands to benefit maximally from this great project, as it will reiterate our prominence and strategic location in the continent. The project will leverage on its strategic location and state-of-the-art facilities to compete for and attract cargo from all parts of Nigeria and regional hinterland, including neighboring countries of West and Central Africa. As a licensed free trade zone, Ibom Deep Seaport is positioned as the gateway to West and Central Africa, relying on and expanding Nigeria's global logistics connectivity. It is a viable alternative and cost-effective access for gateway cargo to the northeast, southeast, and south-south regions. Ibom Deep Seaport and Ibom Industrial City projects have the potentials to create countless direct and indirect jobs in the medium to long term. The seaport, a fulcrum of the Ibom Industrial City, is designed to play a major role in the economic development, as well as raise the business and revenue profile of Akwa Ibom State and Nigeria. The Ibom Deep Seaport is designed to occupy 2,566 hectares of land, with additional 1,565 hectares for future expansion, which the Akwa Ibom State government has already provided. With an investment profile of about $4.2 billion, the seaport, when completed, will serve as global hub for maritime business with unparalleled access to coastal railway lines, the Victor International Airport, and extensive road networks. As a transshipment port for the West and Central African sub-regions, the Ibom Deep Seaport, which is expected to handle container break dry bulk and liquid cargo, would stimulate business activities and lead to a gigantic leap in international trade. Ibom Deep Seaport also incorporates the following technical design parameters: a quay depth of over 16 meters to berth very large container vessels of over 120 deadweight tonnage, and quay length of about 7.5 kilometers at completion and scalable. Total of 7 terminals for phase 1, comprising of container, liquid, dry bulk, and multi-purpose terminals.
Because Ibom Deep Seaport is also situated within the confines of the Ibom Industrial City, which also houses the Free Trade Zone, which also houses the Calabar City Ibom International Jetty, it provides a conglomerate of opportunities for different businesses to thrive. And of course, you will also understand that in the last 4 years plus, Akwa State government has also embarked on massive road infrastructure, linking the economic nerve centers of the state and emptying them, one into the east-west road, and of course the other one to the airport, where today we have an airline that also ensures that access in and out of Akwa is easy. We've taken into consideration the various challenges of ports in Nigeria in designing and conceptualizing Ibom Deep Seaport. So it's going to provide a unique advantage and go a long way towards solving Nigeria's problem in terms of port and port-related activities.
The renowned international port developers and terminal operators are poised to import huge foreign capital into Nigeria for the development of the Ibom Deep Seaport. It is therefore expedient for all stakeholders in the state and country to rise to the challenge of ensuring the actualization of this momentous project that will launch Nigeria into the world of robust maritime business. Ibom Deep Seaport, the gateway to West and Central Africa.